Have you guys been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to add custom text on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom text in the Filmora app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. And after opening the app, you will see something like this. And after opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Now to add the custom text, first you need to add the text. Now tap onto text just right here. Then tap onto add. Now add a text that you want to add just like this. And after adding it, you can see the text has been added. Now to add the custom text, tap onto font just right here. Just like this. And here you can find the multiple option of the text. Now choose one that you like the most, just like this. And now you can see the text has been changed, and tap onto the check mark. Now you can also edit the text according to your preference. And that's it. This is how you can add the custom text in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.